Hello, this is Andy from Team SAVOX. So today I want to compare the new SB-3290 and old SB-2290, the noise. So here is an iconic box. I will show you. First, I will test the SB-2290. So the servo already in the iconic box. So here is a sound level meters. So right now it's no sound, so it's around 30. Okay, so we will test the servo first. The noise is around 66 dB. So we'll change to 3290 and test again. Okay, so right now we will change to the new SB-3290, and then the mic is 10 centimeters, same as the SB-2290. So the sound level meters, so they were from 33 something. So we're doing the test. So for the new SB-3290, it's only 58 dB. So normally it's around 55, 58. So it's more quiet compared to the SB-2290. Okay, if you really care about the noise, please choose new SB-3290. Then there is a no noise for your servo. Thank you.